Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using many different languages, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done yet. In the previous video, we have learned about React 18, and I hope you understand that video of React 18 which we have covered up. So today we are just doing the video of Java, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well, which we are doing of Java. And I hope it will be really helpful for you. So if this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying things from this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how to build these amazing projects using Java and many other languages. And today we are just building an amazing trip planner using Java, and I'll be telling you how we are building and what things will be including in this. So you can just check my previous videos out which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help. I have uploaded many of the projects using Java previously on as well. That is really helpful for beginners, and I'm also doing the React 18 series, and we have uploaded 70 plus video of React 18, and I hope you are enjoying that as well. So remember to check that out, because that will giving you help. And you can also check my big videos which I'm doing, like I'm building the projects using Next.js, React.js, Next.js 13, React 18, and many other things. And you can suggest me in the comments like what tutorial I should start after doing this React 18 and Java tutorial. You can also tell me what big project I should build using which language, so I'll be building that in future. And you can also just ask any of the question or queries if you are having related to these projects which I am building. So I'll be giving answer of all your questions. You can ask me personally through my Gmail and through my Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram links which I have given in the description. You can just ask there as well, or you can ask in the comment section as well. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and we'll be seeing that what project we are building today using Java and what things we'll be including in this project. So just like I've telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project here, and today we will be just building an amazing trip planner in Java. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this amazing trip planner using Java. So for building this here, I will be opening my VS Code, and after opening the VS Code, I will be opening my folder which I have already created on the desktop. So I will be closing all these files and opening new window here. After opening new window, I'll be moving to file, press open folder here. So I will be now pressing open folder. Then I will be now just moving on to my desktop, and on desktop I've created the folder with the name of trip planner in Java. So here is our folder. Now I will be moving on to its main file. This is the main file here. So I will be now erasing all the codes from this main file, because we will be not needing these all stuff. So I will be now just, you can say here, you can remove these all text directly from here, or you can write it simply here as well. So here I will be now doing like this thing, and after doing these all stuff here, you have to now erase this. And then I will be now pressing Ctrl B to close side panel. After doing these things, we will be starting the main codes from here. So I will be now opening it in my default browser, which is Google Chrome. So I will be now moving in Trip Planner, and this is our Google Chrome browser. So I have opened this here. Now in this browser, we are just getting all these things here. I will be now reloading. Okay, by mistake, we are just getting, okay, we have not saved it. Now if I save it here, then if I reload, so here you will be seeing that we are just now getting these all stuff here, and now it is empty. So now we'll be now starting the codes from here. So I will be now doing it side by side. So its browser is, you can say its browser is just not too much fast. So because of that, it's taking some time to just work here. So I will be now writing here trip planner like this thing here. I will be writing trip planner, save it. Now here you have to reload. So you can see now we are just getting the title of trip planner here. Now I will be moving in this body tag, and I'll be starting the codes from here. So first of all, you have to now give it the class, and in class I will be now just writing it the class here. So you can just give the class of banner. So here I will be now giving it the class which should be banner. So here you have to write banner, then right here IT should be top. Then you have to now just write here div class container, and then you have to now write here div class row, and then you have to now just write div class right here call md5, and then you have to now just write here div class left side. So here I will be writing, then you have to write here div class logo, and then you have to move down right here image slash, and then right here logo, and then you have to now write here dot png, and here you have to now just move down and write here div class, and you have to now just write here tabs content. So here I will be now writing here, then you have to move down right here h4, and then right here choose your, then I will be now writing here direction. Here you have to now just do one thing, move down here and then write here ul tag, then you have to give it the class here which should be social links. So here I will be now writing right here a tag, then you have to write http/facebook.com like this. Then here I will be now writing find us on, and then you have to now just give a space here, and here I will be now writing em tag, and you have to now just write here like Facebook like this. I will be now writing. Then you have to write here I tag, and then you have to give it the class here. And in class I will be now writing FA Facebook. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just move after this tag here, and then after moving down you have to write here LI tag. Then write here HTTP slash youtube.com. Then I will be now writing here our, then you have to write em tag and write here YouTube. Then I will be now giving the space here and write here channel. Here you have to now just give a space here as well. So here I will be now writing here I tag class fa dash YouTube. Then you have to now just do one thing. I will be now moving after this tag here and write here li tag. Then write here http slash Instagram, and then here you have to write here .com. Then you have to now just write here a tag which will be like follow our. Then here you have to now write em tag and write here Instagram. Then you have to now just give it the I tag like this, right here class. So here I will be now writing here like this I tag. So here I will be now moving in this tag. Okay, so by mistake I've just done one thing, like here we have to now write em tag, and then now here when we have just written em tag, here we have to write I tag. So here I will be moving after this tag, then give it here I tag, and then I will be now writing here class which will be like FA. Then here I will be writing Instagram. Save it, then you have to reload. So you can see we are now, if I just show you, so in some while we will be getting, so it is taking some time here to reload. So here I will be now moving down. Then you have to just now write here div class, and here I will be now writing page direction, and you have to just now write here button. So here you have to just move down, right here a tag. Then you have to write here contact dot file. Then here I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be writing class. You can see now we are getting this thing. So here now in I tag I will be writing FA. Then I will be now writing here full. Then you have to just now move here and write here contact us now. So here I will be now writing this. And now when you've written this thing, just here you have to move after this tag. Right here div class call md5. Then I will be writing call md offset. Then you have to just write here 1. Now you have to just write section and write here id which will be first tab. So here I will be writing group. Then you have to now just write class tab group. Then you have to just move down, right here div id tab 1. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here div class and write here submit form. Then you have to just now write here for check availability. So here I will be now writing availability like this. Then you have to just move here and then write here for em tag and write here direction. Then when you've written this thing, just I will be moving down after this tag. So here I will be writing this thing here. Then you have to move down, right here form, and in form I will be now removing this section, and here I will be writing id which will be form again, and then I will be writing here submit, and then write here action which will be empty, and write here method get. Now when you've written this, here we have to now just write a tag which will be like div class, and then here I will be now writing row. Then you have to just write here div class again, then write here call md6. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here field set, and then you have to just move down, write here label for, and then I will be writing from. Then I will be now just moving forward, move down, right here select, and then you have to now just move for erasing this here, and right here required name is equals to, then I will be writing from on change is equals to, then I will be writing this dot form. Then you have to just move forward here, and then after moving down, right here option. So here I will be now moving down, right here option value. Then here I will be just now writing here select and write here location. So here I will be writing 3 dots. Then you have to move down and write here option value here as well. Write here Cambodia like this. Then here you have to now write here Cambodia. So you can just write here location like this. Then you have to now just move down, write here option value again. And in value I will be now writing Hong Kong like this. And here I will be now writing Hong Kong again. Then you have to just move down. So here I will be moving forward, and then you have to move down, right here option value in which I will be now writing like Pakistan. Then here I will be now writing Pakistan. Then you have to just move down, right here option value in which I will be writing Japan, and then here I will be also writing Japan. Then you have to now write here option value and write here Korea, and write like this Korea again. Then write here option value which should be like Laos.
So here I will be now writing here Leos as well. Then you have to now just write here option and then write here Myanmar, then here as well. And when you've just written this, here you have to now write the option value. And in option value, I will be writing Singapore and write here as well Singapore. Now when you've just written this, here you have to move down, write here option and then write here Thailand. And then you have to just now write here Thailand. Here you have to move, then write here option. And in value, I will be now writing here Vietnam. Then here you have to now just write here Vietnam. Then when you've just written this, here you have to move down, write here div class, and then you have to now just write here call md6. Then you have to just move down, write here field set. Then you have to now just move down, write here label 2. Then I will be now writing here 2. Then you have to just move down and then write here select and write here remove this name and id, and directly I'll be writing required name. So here I will be now writing required name to, and write here on change is equals to, then write here this dot form and make this bracket. And then when you've written this, here you have to write here option value. So here I will be now writing here option value should be like empty and write here select location. So here I will be now writing this 3 dots. And then after writing this, here you have to now just write this thing here. So I will be now writing value should be like Cambodia like this. Then here you have to now just write Cambodia. Then I will be now writing here option value. So here I will be now writing here. Then you have to now just write here Hong Kong like this. Then I will be now writing here Hong Kong. Then when you've written this, here you have to move down and write here option value and write here Pakistan. And then here I will be again writing this. Then you have to now just write here option value which should be Japan. Then here I will be now writing the value here again. Then when you've just written this, you have to now just write the option value right here. And then you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be again writing this. Then you have to move down, write here option value, then write here labels, and then write here like this. Then write here option and write here Myanmar. Then I will be again writing this. Then you have to move down, and here I will be now writing option value which should be Singapore. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to now write here Singapore. Then you have to just move down, and then I will be writing here Thailand. Then here you have to write Thailand. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, write here option, and in value I will be writing Vietnam. Then I will be now writing here Vietnam. Then you have to just move down, and then after moving down, write here div class call md. So here I will be now writing div class call md6. Then write here field set. So here I will be moving down, write here label, and in for I will be writing departure. And then you have to now just write here departure, and then you have to write here date like this. Then you have to move down and then write here input, and then you have to remove this and write here input name is equals to, write here departure. Then you have to now write here type is equals to text. Then write here class form control. Then you have to write here date, and then write here id is equals to, and then write here departure. And then you have to now just write here placeholder, and then after writing placeholder I will be writing select date. Then you have to write 3 dots, then write required is equals to, and then write here on change is equals to, and then I'll be writing this dot form and write like this. Here you have to just now move down, write here div class call md6. Then you have to just now write here field set, and after writing field set you have to move down, write here label, and in label for I will be writing return, and in return I will be now writing here return date. So here I will be now writing. Then after writing this thing, here you have to just now write here input, and then I will be now just writing here input. After this I will be writing the name value return. Then you have to just now write here class. So here I will be now writing the class of form control date. Then you have to write here id return. So here I will be writing this, and write here placeholder and write select a date like this. Then you have to now just write here required. So here I will be now writing required like this. Then you have to just now just write is equals to, and write here on change is equals to this value. Then write here form, and after writing the form value you have to just now write like this. And then you have to just move down and write here div class, and you have to write call md6. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, write here div class and write here radio select. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here div class row. You have to move down right here div class, and then I will be now writing here call md6. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here call sm and write here 6. Then write here call xs6. Then you have to just write here label for round. Then here you have to write round. Then you have to move down and then write here input type radio. And then you have to just write here name trip. Then you have to write here id round and write here value round. Now when you've written this, here you have to write required and write here required. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here on change is equals to this dot form value. Then here you have to now just make this tag here, and then you have to just move down right here div class and write call md. Then you have to write here 6 call sn. So here I will be now writing call sn, and then you have to write here 6 call xs6. Then you have to write here label, and in for I will be writing one way, and then you have to write here one way as well. Then you have to move after this value and write here input, and in input I will be now writing here radio, and then you have to just now write here name trip. So here I will be now writing name trip as well. Then here when you've written this, so here I will be moving and then write here id one way. Then you have to now just move forward and write here value, and here I will be writing one way. Then write here required, and then I will be now writing here required, and write here on change value. So here I will be now writing this on change value, and then I will be writing this dot form and make this bracket here. So here when you just return this, I will be moving down and write here div class, and then you have to now write here call md6, right here field set. So here I will be writing. Then you have to move down, and after moving down, write here button and write here type submit. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to just now move forward, write here id form submit. So here I will be writing this like this. Then you have to write here class btn. Then here I will be writing order ticket now. So here I will be writing. Now when you just written this, here I will be now doing one thing like here. I will be saving it. Then after saving this thing, just I will be moving here in this tag like this. And then when you just return these all stuff, so here I will be now saving this thing, and then you have to just change here like 2023. Then I will be moving at the top, and here I will be now just doing like saving it and then reload. So if I reload here, so you will be seeing that it will be taking some time here to reload. So you have to wait a while till it will be reloading, because like I've telling you, it is the you can say it is not the fast server which we are using, Google Chrome. So because of that, it will be taking some time to run here. So you can see these are the things which we have just written here. So I will be now writing here like this. Then here you have to now just write here, save it. Then you have to just now move here in this, and then you have to just now erase it and write here like this, and then simply erase this thing as well. And then I will be now writing here Pakistan again. Then save it and then reload. And now here if I reload, so if I just show you by fully screening this, you can see we are getting all these things here. Like here we are just getting the weather details, you can see in the trip planner. Then we are just getting down the things like easy tool plate, and then we are getting unique ideas, best support, recommended hotel for you, living room, suite room, swimming pool, massage service, fitness, live evening events, and more other things. Then these are the most visited place, and then in the end we are getting these all footer section things. And if I press back to top, so it will be taking to back to your top. You can see you can order your ticket from here. You can select the location where you want to go, like Pakistan, and then you can just select the location where you want to go, and then you can just select the departure date here, then the returning date. And after selecting this, here you can just press round or one way. So you can just press round and order. You can just order your ticket from here. So like this, we have just built this amazing system of trip planner. I hope you understand how we have just built this amazing trip planner using this amazing language here. So I hope you understand this, how we have just built. If you have understand, enjoy this video of trip planner. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can just build these projects using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.